channel, Little Storytellers and a Backpack. To start with, let me give you a small introduction about the author. She was born in 1950 in Chigao in North Karnataka. She is an educator, author and philanthropist. She is a prolific writer and has written many best-selling children's books. She also said, just as layers open up stories, reading reveals knowledge. Can you guess who I'm talking about?
Yes, I think you've got it. It's Sudhamurti.
The book I will be talking about is How the Onion Got Its Layers, written by Sudhamurti. This book is about a king and a queen who were blessed with a beautiful daughter named Beena. But there is a catch. The goddess gave them a warning to which they have to follow at any cost, failing to which will lead to a consequence. So read this book to know what the warning is, to know what the consequences in the story, and to know where the onion is